Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Many traders are asking one question right now. Can I sell British pounds USD? Let's look at what the chart is actually saying. The British pounds USD, let's start our analysis from the weekly time frame. The British pounds on the weekly time frame did a first breakout last week. You can see that we have this first breakout from the weekly time frame, which indicates possible reversal of trend for the British pounds USD to the downside. So long we have this first breakout on the weekly chart indicating bearish momentum, our job is to look out for more of a selling opportunity on the British pounds USD. So let's look at the trend of the British pounds USD on the weekly chart. On my weekly charts, currently we have this higher high, then we have a lower high, then price came to this level to form a first breakout, which make this level a lower high. So what we expect on the British pounds USD this coming week, we need price to come back to this support level, then wait for a retest, then we'll start looking for our possible more selling opportunity for the British pounds USD. You can see that we still have more of a sideways trend on the British pounds USD. So long we have more of this sideways trend on the British pounds USD, if you are selling British pounds USD now, that means your overall direction will be just a reversal of the trend, because now we are selling from high. It shows that we are trading the reversal of the trend on the British pounds USD. So let's go back to our daily chart. So on my daily chart, you can clearly see that downtrend momentum is building up on the British pounds USD already. You can clearly see we have this higher high and a lower high and a lower high. So this is a momentum of a bearish trend building up gradually. So long this momentum is building up gradually, this is a sign that we are expecting a strong bearish trend for the pounds USD to the downside. Once we see price break below this lower high, this higher low, this might trigger a strong bearish momentum for the pounds to the downside. So long we have this series of lower high, we expect price to come back to this support level, and a break of this particular higher low support level might trigger more bearish trend for the British pounds USD to the downside. If you are serious about your trading and you want to learn how to trade, you can click the link in description to book for one-on-one section. Or if you're also serious about your trading, you can also book for my video course, the link also in description below. If you find this analysis helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more trading tips and forex analysis. See you in my next video.